Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace a clutch master and slave cylinder. As you can see, the clutch pedal is there's no resistance and stays down. Let's open the bonnet. This one here is the reservoir, and in this case the master cylinder is this one because it's a right hand drive car, so the master cylinder is separate from the brake is different one. And here we have a slave cylinder. In this case the issue was just a slave cylinder, but I want to show you one thing. Look at this liquid. It's black, like in diesel car you have a engine oil like this black. First of all, I put a new fluid inside and I'll try to bleed the system. Here is the bleeding point. I attach a pipe that go inside the container. Look at this one. Wow. Completely black. This is how it should look like. So now I bleed the system and still nothing. Clutch stays down. I open the internal manifold as well because it's better. I can show you better how to do it, what to do. Here is the bleeding point. Here is the pipe that comes from the master cylinder, and the slave cylinder has only 2 bolts here. And here is the pin that push the clutch inside. This is the new slave cylinder. It's always best to check first if it's the right one or not, and looks pretty similar. This pan go inside here. Now let's remove the pipe first. By the way, this is a Honda, but most manual car, the process is very similar. The location may be different, the attachment may be different, but the process is similar. And it's not a difficult job, it's quite easy in most cases. There we go, removed. Just pull out. Compare again to the new and old one. Yeah, same. We need to remove from the old one this plastic. part here. We insert this one first, and then we can put this one inside the slave cylinder. And before fitting, remove the bleeding point, this valve here, and we have to put little bit of fluid inside, brake fluid. So after, when we have to bleed again, it's much easier. There we go, it's loose. Now we just pour here some fluid. You don't need to completely fill the cylinder, but just a little bit. When it's coming out from the bleeding valve, that's it, we are good. So after, when we bleed the system, the oil is still inside, so it can go out very quickly. Air can go out as well. Nice. Let's fit the cylinder. This is the slave cylinder. Tight this to bolt and the pipe that comes from the master cylinder. We go inside, and here is the master cylinder attached to the clutch pedal. We have to remove this part here. So now the clutch pedal and the cylinder, they are apart, they are not connected anymore. After, we have to remove this nut, and there's one at the top, just here, that one as well. After removing, we can slide the master cylinder out. Before sliding, make sure to remove the pipe as well, just like so. There we go, master cylinder out. Now let's remove this pipe as well. I have to use the old fitting before, because the new one doesn't come with. Let's put back the pipe. Like so. And now we can insert the master cylinder. Make sure that the gasket is with the cylinder, so water and all the other debris doesn't go inside the cabin. Now it's in place. We can fit the pipe first, this pipe here, and the two nuts inside, one the top one at the bottom. As you can see, I put some fluid in it inside. It's all tight, even inside master cylinder and the slave cylinder as well. I already bleed the system, tight everything, master cylinder and slave cylinder, and I put back all the different parts that I removed before. Let's check the clutch pedal. Nice, yeah, as you can see now it's good. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and if you have any comment, let me know. Thank you. Bye.